I'm Greg Perkins. We're from the southeast area of Wisconsin. We are a design build firm, GMH Construction. Been in business for 32 years. We've been a profitable company every year, but not that great. We've just been okay. When we started with Aspire, the whole idea of understanding where the money comes from and what it's for, and having the things above the line and below the line totally came clear in our minds and allowed us to not just make a profit, but make a good living and satisfy our clients with a great project. As Aspire has helped me to see how the future forecasting is in dollars, makes it so much easier for us to plan for our team, for the amount of work that we have, the workload, whether we need to adjust jobs size or starting months ahead, and being able to give a client a real good answer as to when we can start a job. When I first started GMH Construction 30-some years ago, I was happy to have a week or two's worth of work. Then I started getting comfortable with the number of employees. Hey, I've got 5 or 6 weeks worth of work going, and so we'll be okay. Right now, I'm months out, and I know exactly what kind of money is going to be coming in, and I know in my forecasting where I need to start being concerned or whether I need to make adjustments so that everybody that's involved with the company, our entire team, are taken care of. The only way we can do that is by having that organization and knowing what's going to happen in the next 6 months or a year, and having Aspire show us how we can do that. We started using the PSA as we started working with Aspire. We had always done a design agreement, but it wasn't as detailed. With the PSA, it clarifies everything, not just for ourselves, but for the client, because then they know what to expect throughout the entire remodel process. And they know there's no surprises coming their way. I'm able to take Fridays off every week, and that is because Aspire has helped myself, my son, and our team learn how to do things to care for the business, knowing that that's in good hands and has the right process to get us there, allows me to really take a lot of brain time off and just relax and enjoy life. Hiring Aspire was one of the best business decisions I've ever made.